We are harvesting tons of vegetables today from our naturally grown garden, and that's what this is, gourd. So it's here, and also so we are also harvesting this pumpkin right here, this guy, big one. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, stuff, big one. These are okras. There are tons of okra here. Some more. So we have tons of them here, right here. Okra. Let's go. So the tomatoes, okay? Tomatoes right here. So right here. That's okay. We have some beans here. Beans. These beans. Then there's a different type of beans here. I saw some of them right here. Beans, so delicious. Right here. Right here. These beans produce tons of beans around here, and there are everywhere. Okay, tomatoes. Yeah, that's good. These nuggets are the one to go. You don't take that. I don't think that. And right here, beautiful one. Okay, all right. Right here, beautiful tomatoes. Tons of tomatoes here, and then wow, tons of beans here. Everywhere. There are different types of bean here. What? Okra here. Oh, I think that's fine. Everyone is fine. It looks like it will be. This one right here. Be careful with this. So these tomatoes are kind of imperfect, but they are good. They are perfect for our health. So right here, and there are tons of chilies out there. Let me grab a few of them. Maybe I can. One chili, We will get some from there. So it's so colorful. Let's go. Almost full. So it's almost full. So there are chili pepper out there. Maybe I will harvest next time. So let's go. This red chili we are going to harvest. Some are like red chili, and this is kind of red and green, and some of them are green. So they are long. Some of them are very red. This one, for example, and then it has and some of the chilies are small but very hot. This one is small, and for example this one right here, so bright red, and some of them are still green chilies. So right here, so there are different types of chilies right here. This guy this type is totally different. It's a little type of short and then pointed upward, and maybe this guy right here is again, this is also a different one. It's bigger. This is a bit bigger too. Yeah. So I have tons of them. We are going to put it here, and then some here also, like we did before. Yeah. So let me. All right. We are almost done with this. These are bell pepper, which we are not going to harvest many. Maybe only one. This is still small. We are going to harvest. So maybe this one more guy. Yeah. So now my basket is full. Now for 2 days. All right. So this basket is full now. For few days is enough. So all green vegetable, naturally grown, organic, and we have this eggplant, and we will put so eggplant, few more eggplant here. Not perfect, but delicious. Perfect for health. So we will be harvesting some more next time.